Hello, my name is Chad. The picture you see here is a picture of that beautiful super yacht that was in Torquay harbour. Me and my wife went down to Torquay for an evening, and I thought I'd take a picture of it. I thought how beautiful it is. Didn't realise a week later until I saw in the local media that it actually caught on fire. It cost about 6 million. I took a couple of pictures and a video of it, and there's me beside the beautiful boat. There's again from Torquay, and the big wheel in Torquay, and here's a video. A bit windy but beautiful. And there it is again. So sad it's gone. Sometimes when you film these things, you just do not know, do you? So, my name is Chad, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye for now.